Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'll be going over all the mods that I've done on my MK8 GTI and how much I spent in total on the car. I've had this car for about 2 to 3 years and I think I put in a good amount of money into it. Let's go over everything that I have and how much each part costed me. We can start off with the engine mods. So the first thing that sticks out is the Blaze performance intake. I got the Blaze intake for about $300. This intake is massive. Right now I have the Miltech Caddy downpipe connected to the stock exhaust. Downpipe was about 900. Stage 2 tune was about, I think, 600. These are just ballpark numbers because I don't remember exactly. I'm on a stage 2 low torque tune because I'm still on the OEM clutch and I'm just trying to preserve it as much as I can. I have the 034 dog bone inserts, the upper and lower inserts, and I think that was about 150 or so. I'll have to double check that. I'm also rocking the ARM front mount intercooler. I think this went for about 600. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it in the engine bay. I guess you could say this was a mod too, because when I got the car, the engine cover wasn't included, but it was covered under warranty, so. As I mentioned earlier, I'm on the stock catback. The stock catback to the aftermarket downpipe sounds pretty good. It's not overly aggressive. It sounds, I think it's the perfect spot. I forgot to mention that I have the APR short shifter in here. Shift knob is from Sport Shifter. I think this shifter was about 200. This shift boot is from BFI. The BFI Alcantara shift boot about 90 bucks. The APR short shifter about 320. So with the APR short shifter, I also added the super pin and I believe it's the metal bushings to replace the plastic ones, and it feels pretty good. It's notchy enough. It's not overly notchy. It's not too short, not too long of a throw. I used to have the Holy shifter, and that thing was super notchy. I hated it. I don't know how I was driving with that for over a year. So I decided to go with the APR short shifter. It's a lot more expensive, but I think it's way worth it. The next thing on the list would be the suspension. I'm currently on Racing Line lowering springs. It gives it a pretty good drop. It gives it a good mile drop, nothing crazy. I don't really scrape on much. Now honestly, if I do scrape, it's only because I have the Aerofab front splitter. This thing is really sturdy, so I don't think it'll ever break. I actually picked up the Aerofab front splitter and the Racing Line lowering springs together as a package for about 300. For wheels, I have the Advance RG4 in copper bronze. They are 18 by 8.5 plus 45, but I also have a 3mm spacer. Tires are Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02. Size is 245/40/18, and fitment is pretty good. Behind there, I also have the H&R rear sway bar. I think it's the 24mm thickness. That was about 200 bucks, along with Moog end links, which is 40 bucks. The wheels by itself were about 1,500. Tires, maybe another 900 on top. I have these WeatherTech wind deflectors, maybe about 150. I have the Zero diffuser, 250. What did I miss? I think that's it. Thought I had more. Oh, I have the fake Club Sport straight out of AliExpress, but this one fits pretty good. It looks pretty good too. I'm not mad, just because if I wanted the OEM one, it would cost way too much. I think it was about 900. I got the spoiler for 100. WeatherTech floor mats, I think about 150. For the taillights, I have the BMP tuning Euro style taillight. They ran for about 600, 650 maybe. And I think that's it. I'll total up the amount to see how much I spent total on the GTI. Let me know what you guys think of the build. I don't know what else I'm gonna do next. I do wanna get coilovers maybe. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, any other mods I could do. If you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and stick around for more content.